schedule prompts is a big thing here in Microsoft 365 Copilot. Let's say that we want to create our own newspaper with the news that is of our interest. I pick world news, but you can pick finance, sports, or whatever topic that interests you. Here I say past 24 hours with factual accuracy and notable public reactions. For each topic, write a 4-sentence article covering key facts and context. After the news section, include a separate sentiment analysis summary that highlights the overall tone and trends. Conclude with probably formatted citations and source links like this. Then we send the prompt, and right now we'll only get one answer. So the key is this lesson is that we want to schedule it, and actually 365 Copilot lets you schedule 1 year in advance. For example, here I can see that the major world news is a train collision, some news from Iran, US Navy Secretary resigns, EU approves. So this is like having your own newspaper. You will also see that the sources that 365 Copilot picks are general big ones, for example, BBC here. Here we have our sentiment analysis, and we also have the sources and citations. To schedule it, you either go down here under the answer, click the 3 dots, click schedule this prompt. You can also find it's the same, if you go up to your prompt, and here you have the schedule this prompt. We have the prompt here. You can choose to add to it. When should my prompt start? Well, it could start here in 20 minutes. When should it run? Day, week, month. I want it to run daily, but not on Sundays and Saturdays. Maybe I could also work a little bit on the timing. I want these news each morning. So here I will say start at 6:30. That means it will start tomorrow. I can also go down here in the until, and here I can actually scroll all the way ahead to April 24 in 2027. Do I want an email when the responses are ready? Yes, please. Now it will create the scheduled prompt. Each morning I will get an email. Let me close this window. To find your scheduled prompts, you can always go up to the 3 dots, scheduled prompts, and the window opens again. Click the 3 dots. I can choose to run the scheduled prompt right now. You will see that you will receive an email with the world news in this case, and that's it. I now have an email from Copilot. I will get that each time the prompt runs. I can go click it. That will take me to Copilot, to their scheduled chat. Here we have the Ukraine-Russia war, Middle East tensions, and etc. I can close here because I can also find it out in my history. So if I refresh this, actually it was there, I believe. Here we have it. Let me again go up to scheduled prompts, and what I can do here is to edit the schedule or the prompt actually, I can go back and I can also turn it off or simply just delete it if I want to create something else. Your next 365 Copilot video is right here. See you.